how to copy link of any post you watch on Instagram or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy link of any post you watch on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, go here on this share icon, click on it, and you will see here copy link. Click on it and it will be copied, as you see, and that's how to copy link of any post you want. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.